Hi, this is Praveen. So now let us discuss about the periodic table, the first 20 elements of periodic table. So in my previous video, we have discussed about the history of periodic table. So now let us discuss about the first 20 elements of modern periodic table. So we have already seen that modern periodic table was given by Moseley. He has made the experiments from 1913 to 1917, and as a result of his experiments, we have got the modern periodic law. So this modern periodic law states that atomic number is more fundamental property than the atomic mass for any element. So Moseley have proved that in 1917. So Moseley has taken the atomic numbers as the consideration for grouping the elements, and when he was doing that, the atomic number is nothing but the number of protons that were present in the atom of that element. So that is the definition of atomic number. So this is about atomic number. So next let's come on to periods and groups. So when we look at a normal table, we find both rows and columns. But when we observe the periodic table, it has a very different shape. It is very different shape from other tables if we consider. And in all the tables, we find rows and columns. In periodic table as well, we find rows and columns. And those rows in periodic tables is called as the periods, and the columns is called as groups. So in whole periodic table, we find 7 periods and a total of 18 groups. But if we take 20 elements into our observation, we find 4 periods and 8 groups. So now let's look at the groups. So these groups are very interesting and they look very different in this arrangement, that is up to 20 elements. So we have group number 1, 2, and between 3 and 12 we will discuss them in later. It is called as the transition metals, which was found between these two subdivisions. One is S block and one is P block, which we will discuss later. And next 13, 14, 15 and continues up to 18. So 18th group is also called as the zero group because of the valency that is 0 in this group. So now let us look at the elements in this periodic table. Firstly, let us begin with hydrogen. Hydrogen symbol is H. Its atomic number is 1. Atomic mass is 1. Its electronic configuration is 1s1. Its electronic configuration is 1s1. And this hydrogen, it is mainly found in sun and other stars, in balloons, and we also find this hydrogen to be used in the rockets as a fuel. The liquid hydrogen is used as a fuel in the rockets. So the hydrogen has a valency of +1 and -1. If hydrogen has a valency of +1, then it should be reacted with the non-metals. So if hydrogen has a valency of -1, that means hydrogen has been reacted with other elements which were metals except these non-metals. So hydrogen is the lightest element which was found. And next is helium. Its symbol is He. Its atomic number is 2 with atomic mass as 4. As we all know, its valency is 0. And here we find its electronic configuration as 1s2. And it is an exception for the octet's rule on valence electrons. So we find valence electrons for these 18 group elements as 8. But it is exception for helium, which is called as the duplex configuration. So helium, it was mainly used in few areas like the asthma patients. So for respiration of asthma patients, the doctors, they suggest the patients to take the mixture of oxygen gas and helium gas. And by combining these two, the asthma patients respire. And this helium can also be used in the balloons, and it can also be found in the sun and other stars too. So it is about helium. So next let's come to lithium. So lithium symbol is Li. Its atomic number is 3. Atomic mass is 7. Its electronic structure or electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s1. Its valency is +1. The valency of lithium is +1. So all the elements in this first group, they have the valency of +1 with an exception of hydrogen in few cases. And this lithium is the lightest metal which was ever found, and this lithium is mainly used in the batteries. In batteries, we find lithium oxide, which is combination of lithium and oxygen which was present here. So these are the uses of lithium. So next let's come to beryllium. Beryllium symbol is Be. Its atomic number is 4. Atomic mass is 9. its electronic structure or electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2. So this beryllium is mainly found in the emeralds. So emerald is one of the famous, valuable and precious stones which were found on the earth. So beryllium can also be used as the moderator in the nuclear reactors. So the valency of beryllium is +2. With all the elements in the second group has a valency of +2. So the next element is boron. So the next element is boron with the symbol B. So the atomic number of boron is 5 and its atomic mass is 11. Its electronic structure is 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. And boron has a valency of +3. Boron is used as control rods in the nuclear reactors in order to control the fusion reactions. So it is about the boron. So next let's come to carbon. Carbon has an atomic number 6, atomic mass as 12, and carbon can also be found in C613, C614 as well, which were the isotopes of carbon, and its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. So the valency of carbon is 4. It would be +4 or -4, but we consider mostly in +4. And this carbon is the element which shares the electrons. So the elements in this 14th group, they share mainly the electrons in order to do the bonding. And next, this carbon is famously called as the element of life. It is famous for a property of carbon, that is the catenation property, which is the property to become in the long chains, to have a continuous chains of the carbon element. That is called as the catenation property, and due to this catenation property, we have a total of 10 million compounds of carbon all around the world. So this carbon is mainly found in coal, coke and coal gas. Carbon has few electrodes. So those electrodes are mainly diamond, graphite and Buckminster fullerene. So these electrodes are various forms of carbon, and we also find few amorphous electrodes. So few examples of these amorphous electrodes are soot, lamp-black, charcoal, etc. So to find the archaeological dating process, that is to find the archaeological dates, the dates in the history, we use the carbon-14, the carbon dating method. So this is famously called as the C14 method. So it involves the carbon element 2. And next element is nitrogen. So nitrogen has its atomic number as 7. Atomic mass is 14 and its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. It has a valency of -3, that means it has to gain 3 electrons. And nitrogen is mainly found in proteins and amino acids. So these amino acids will be mainly found in the proteins. So this nitrogen is found in the highest proportion in atmosphere, that is nearly 78%. So it is about nitrogen. Next let's come to oxygen. Oxygen has its atomic number as 8, atomic mass as 16. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4. Its valency is -2. That means it has to gain 2 electrons in order to become stable. And this oxygen is used for respiring by the humans, and it will be produced by the plants. So plants take carbon dioxide and they release the oxygen. So carbon dioxide is the mixture of carbon and oxygen. And this oxygen is found mostly in the Earth's crust, that is nearly 46%. In the Earth's atmosphere, we find 21% of oxygen. So the next element is fluorine. Fluorine's atomic number is 9. Atomic mass is 19. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. Its valency is -1. That means it has to gain 1 electron in order to become stable. So fluorine is mainly used in the process of fluorosis. Fluorosis is used to clean our teeth. And this is about fluorine. So next let's come to neon. Its symbol is Ne. Its atomic number is 10. Atomic mass is 20. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. So the electronic configuration of neon is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p6. And its valency is 0. Why? Because it is found in the 18th group. And this neon is mainly used in the advertising signs. And we also find neon light bulbs under which this neon is useful. And neon in neon bulbs is famous for its plasma. It produces plasma in the neon light bulbs. So it is about neon. Next let's come to the third period. So in third period firstly we find the sodium. Its symbol is Na. It got its symbol as Na because Na stands for natrium, which is the Latin word for the sodium. Its atomic number is 11. Atomic mass is 23. Its electronic configuration is Ne3s1. So here I have mentioned Ne because the Ne's electronic configuration, that is the electronic configuration of neon, is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. And continuing that we have 3s1 for sodium. So this sodium has a valency of +1 and it reacts violently with water. Water is a compound that was formed by mixture of the hydrogen and oxygen. And this sodium, it was mainly used in the salts. So salt is a combination of sodium and chlorine, which we will discuss in this video later, which will be found here. So it is about sodium. So next let's come to magnesium. Magnesium symbol is Mg and its atomic number is 12. Atomic mass is 24. So its electronic configuration is neon 3s2. Its valency is +2. So magnesium is mainly used in the magnesium ribbon. If you burn the magnesium ribbon, we will get a magnesium oxide. Its symbol is MgO. And after that, this magnesium is in the second group, so its valency is +2. So next let's come on to the aluminium. It is also called as the aluminum. Its symbol is Al. Its atomic number is 13. Atomic mass is 27. And its electronic configuration is neon 3s2, 3p1. Its valency is +3 and aluminium can be mainly used in the aeroplanes. The alloys of aluminium, duraluminum, is mainly used in preparation of roofs of the aeroplanes. And next we have silicon. Silicon symbol is Si. Its atomic number is 14. Atomic mass is 28. And it has its electron configuration as Ne 3s2, 3p2. So the valency of silicon is +4. And it also shares the electrons like the carbon, and it is useful for the preparation of glass. So the silicon and oxygen, they two combine as SaO2, that is silicon dioxide, and these two form the glass. So silicon is a semiconductor and this silicon has both properties of metals and non-metals. So it is a metalloid, that means metalloid has properties of metals and non-metals. Silicon is also found in the sand, stone and soil. So next let's come to phosphorus. Its symbol is P. Its atomic number is 15. Atomic mass is 29. And its electronic configuration is Ne, neon 3s2, 3p3. So it is mainly found in our bones. So our bones is made up of two elements, mainly phosphorus and calcium, which will be found here. And next is sulfur. Sulfur's atomic number is 16. Atomic mass is 32. Its electronic configuration is neon 3s2, 3p4. And sulfur has a valency of -2. Sulfur is an element which is found in sulfuric acid. So this sulfuric acid is popularly called as the king of acids. And the symbol of sulfuric acid is H2SO4. So this H2SO4 chemical is used in batteries. Sulfur is one of the minerals that was found in the egg. And we also find sulfur in the white onion, that is garlic, onion, etc. And after sulfur we find chlorine. Its symbol is Cl. Its atomic number is 17. Atomic mass is 35.5. Its electronic structure is Ne, that is neon. 3s2 3p5. Its valency is -1. That means it has to gain one electron in order to become stable. And this chlorine is mainly used in the bleaching powder. So bleaching powder is combination of calcium, oxygen and chlorine. So its formula is CaOCl2. And this bleaching powder, it kills the bacteria. And we also use chlorine tablets in order to kill bacteria in water. And it is about chlorine. So next let's come to argon. Argon symbol is Ar. Its atomic number is 18. Argon's atomic mass is 40. And its electronic configuration is Ne, that is neon, 3s2 3p6. So argon is mainly found in the argon bulbs. So next let's come to fourth period. So the next element is potassium. Its symbol is K. And K stands for kalium, which is the Latin word for potassium. And its atomic number is 19. Atomic mass is 39. And its electronic structure is argon 4s1. So argon's electronic configuration is Ne3s2 3p1. And here we find neon. Neon's electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p6. So potassium, it was mainly found in the potash. Potash is also a kind of fertilizer. So potassium, nitrogen and phosphorus. These three are popularly called as the NPK fertilizers because they were used mainly in fertilizers. So next is calcium. Calcium symbol is Ca. Its atomic number is 20. Atomic mass is 40. Its electronic structure is argon 4s2. It has a valency of +2. That means it has to lose 2 electrons in order to become stable. And calcium is mainly found in the bones, and along with phosphorus, calcium is also found in the bones. So these are the uses of calcium. So these are the properties and uses of elements from 1 to 20 as atomic numbers. This is all from this video, and we will discuss about the remaining elements in periodic table in my next video. So please like and subscribe to my channel in order to watch the next video. Thank you.